Why do you yawn when you see someone else do it? It isn't just because you are tired, it is actually a sign of empathy. Scientists believe that contagious yawning is linked to mirror neurons in your brain, the same cells that allow you to feel compassion and understand others' emotions. People who are more empathetic tend to catch yawns more easily than those who aren't. It is basically your brain trying to bond with the group. If you yawned while watching this, hit like and subscribe for more psychological facts.